Without wasting our time, we should start now. The others will join whenever they will get the time to join. Today is Friday, so Wasim is saying that I will come after a while. So he's busy right now. So we have decided that every Friday we will discuss on a topic, and today's topic is very important also and relevant to the current situation, because in today's life we are as a prison of the devices and the internet and these kinds of things, and we think that we cannot live without these kinds of devices and these kind of technologies. So today we will just imagine and we will just think that how the life will become without mobile or any computer devices. How the life will, how our elders, our grands were living in this world without these kinds of technologies. So each and every member of our team will explain whatever he's thinking about it, and whatever he thinks about it, and we will listen and we will also ask the question to them also. And I think that this session is going to be very interesting for all of us, if you have prepared well. So today we will start. Who is going to start today?
Me, sir.
Yes, it's okay. Sabaqaka bihaukash. Naam. Yes, start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My teacher and my dear friends, today's my topic is how the life will become without mobile or any computer devices.
Hmm.
My dear friends, there are two types of people in the whole world. One of them who does not use a smartphone and any computer devices. Such people are very little. And second of them who use the smartphone and any computer devices. Such people are 90% of those people who believe in the word. My dear friends, imagine your childhood when was not smartphone and any computer devices in your hand, and the
इस
man,
तरह के
old
सेंटेंस में
man.
देयर अगर ऐड करें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि व्हेन देयर वाज नो स्मार्टफोन, तो हालांकि उसका मीनिंग कोई नहीं निकलेगा, लेकिन जुमला थोड़ा सा स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा हो जाता है.
Thank you, sir. When there was no any computer devices and smartphone in your hand, and the man, young man and old man also had not knowledge about it technology, and they were living limited life. Now the world has become a village because of technology, mobile and any computer devices. The people know as well as what's going on in the world and why is it happening. Dear friends, the people do this their hours work in few minutes because of technology and smartphone.
आवर्स नहीं, आवर्स एच साइलेंट
Hours.
रहता है उसमें, आवर्स.
Yes, sir. Hours. Thank you, sir. Dear friends, imagine if our life will become without computer and any device, any mobile, any computer devices, then our life will become difficult again, and we will do our work in a day, and day work in a week, and week work in a month, and monthly work in a whole years, and our knowledge about happening world will be limited. We can say as a summary, the whole world is a village with mobile phone and any computer devices, and the village is the whole world without mobile and any computer devices. So we should thanks Allah who obliged us his mercy, and we should best use these all technology. That enough, sir.
It's okay, very good. You have discussed about it, but we need more. We expected more from your side. And the second thing which I would like to comment on your speech, you continuously you were listening, you are seeing on your notebooks, wherever you have noted it, you are seeing continuously there. it is not very good to speak by reading. It's necessary to write. It's necessary to write. You should write, but sometimes you have to see the audience also, and
जी
sometimes you can take help from your copy where you have written it. It's okay. You have prepared it and you have spent many more time on it. It's okay. Anybody want to ask any question to him?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes, ask.
My brother Zubair, I agree to you, but
Shafiq.
there is also something injurious to for health for our health in our child and our boys and our students. What do you say about this?
Yes, Shafiq.
yes bro, your
He
question
asked
is
a question that
I
there is something which harms us in technology. What do you say about it? You only counted the benefits of it. Where is disadvantage of these kinds of things?
yeah.
yes bro. I said that everything everything जायज का सर क्या होगा?
Jaiz, permissible,
Allow
Lawful.
everything.
Allow.
allowed, permissible. Hmm.
Everything allow from everything allow everything is allowed from Sharia. Sharia yani Islam
Allowed in Sharia.
allowed him Sharia
Hmm.
जब तक आएगा सर until
Yeah.
Until very good.
I know that everything allow for Sharia. No,
Let him complete, Abdullah.
that is my question. Okay, sir.
my sentence is not completed dear.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
sir.
Complete your sentence.
Complete your sentence.
Everything is allowed from Sharia if
Allowed. टी नहीं रहता
जी,
उसमें. ठीक है. Continue.
if in this thing is not harmful for us for humanity
Hmm.
then
Hmm.
then this its thing is allowed for us. Yes
Hmm.
bro, and the technology
Yes.
and computer devices the blessing from Allah.
Is also
If
blessing from Allah.
also with blessing from Allah, if we can best use this technology, then uh, this is better for us.
Very good.
This-
Yes, Abdullah. Did you get the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But what is the solution for some students and boys are go to wrong way?
It's okay. So, yes. Do you want to say anything, Shafiq, about it?
These are nowadays the youngest people use bad this technology. So
Hmm.
we can say him that you are best use your devices and your smartphone, then you are then it is better for him.
It's
Yeah.
okay. We should
We have
teach our children. So we should train our children that they only use for the benefits of worldly life and hereafter. Do not use it as the in only the for entertainment and or do not use these kinds of thing in which in that manner which harm them. So we should preach them regularly. We should not think that once we had said so that's enough. That's not enough. We should always memorize them. If we remember them that uh, we should use in the right manner. Yes, Abdullah.
Yeah.
You got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Now, after Mr. Shafiq, we would like to listen some words from Naushad ibn Zubair on the same topic.
Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nice to see you. Yes, continue.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Dear friends, today's topic: how will the life will become without mobile or any device. So I want to start the topic and many the topic. The topic it will be how the people will engage each other and will do their work without mobile. As the people who was living in past era and he was doing their works,
Who were living?
they were doing their work without any cell phones or device. So presume
शफीक
the
बंद कर लिया
era
माइक
in
अपना. Yes, continue.
in which we are living, it is multi-purpose and multi languages. Likewise, it is digital. So the mobile or the computer has become one part of human beings. So I want to ask to everyone, tell me if you have lost your hand, your eye, or your eyes, or your leg. So how can you will deal to the people and how you will live in this universe? So the the matter is the same to mobile or computer device because the era in which we are living it has become like this, and the cell phones and devices has become like our parts of body. So without mobile, we can't be able to do anything. We can do something, but it will be not proper. Like without leg, we can step some away, but it will not proper. And without one eye, we can see by one eye, but it will be not proper. That was another thing. So mobile without mobile phone we can do, but it will take a lot times and it will waste our times, and sometimes we can fail in our goal because there are some things that is fixed with some time. So without mobile phone we can't do these things. Presume that in this era we are living, and this period has become COVID-19, and everyone is suffering from this pandemic. So we are living in this era and in this universe, so it has become very necessary, and without this device we can't do anything because we are at our home and we are teaching and learning a lot of things, and likewise the businessmen dealing a lot. So without cell phone or mobile or likewise any computer, we can't be able to do these things. And likewise, there is another thing that there is education matter. So education is very compulsory to every person, and it is very necessary, and everyone know about it because without education or without be educated we can live in this universe but like a
Without be
animal.
educated के से बेहतर without being educated करें ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगा.
Okay, without being educated we can live in this universe but like a animal, not a human being, not like a man. So it is very compulsory to use this device. And the another thing, presume in the past the person who was living, they were taking a lot times to do one thing, but nowadays we can do the same things by on one click because we have device and we are using the cell phone and mobile like and likewise computer. So if we take a glance on our past and our elders, so we can see they were spending and they were unable to match anyone because they have to go to the person to whom they have to give message. So nowadays we are able to give the message by putting one click, by only one click, and clicking on click we can give our message to another. And this is the thing that why I am saying that the mobile is very mandatory and it is very compulsory to have in this universe. And it has a negative point also. So we have to use it in some time, not every time. And we have to avoid everything that comes in mobile. And we have to take only the things that we have to do, and we have to compulsory or we have to mandatory, and not to do everything that is coming in my mobile or cell phone. Okay, that's enough.
That's very good, and you have speak well without any pause. How much time you spent in preparing this, or you did not prepared? You speak it without preparation.
Yeah, minimum half half an hour.
Half an hour. Yeah, that's good thing that you have spent the time on it. Also, it will give benefit for you. Nosha, try to use new words which is not in your mind, and also try to use new kind of sentence which you read any in any newspaper or any book. That will also give benefit to you. You are using just these kinds of words and sentence which you are used to in using that. That's are in your memory already. So in each and every topic always try to use these kinds of words and sentences which is new for you. It will also benefit me and other members also, and if we will not get the we will not understand whatever you are saying, we will ask you to explain it. That will increase our knowledge also and your knowledge also. And the second thing is that take a pause after a sentence. It is good that you are speaking frequently without pause. Pause is not good between the sentence. It looks like somebody is weak in the language, but it does not mean that we will talk without any pause, because in speeching a speech, it is the term that is used, that after some sentences or after two or three sentences, the speaker take a pause for what? To attract the audience towards himself. So take a pause between it, so that we can understand. If you are talking in English and we all are not expert in that language, so we also need to take some seconds to understand the sentence. If you continuously speak the sentences and you do not take any pause, your speech will be become lengthy, and it will be sometime the listeners will feel boring while listening it. So be careful about these kinds of things. Did you get my point?
Okay, inshallah, I will try all my best from next topic.
Inshallah. Anybody want to ask any question to Naushad?
Sir, I have a question
Yes, ask.
for brother.
Okay.
My brother, in our speech, in your speech, well, in our topic, 2 point. 1 point without mobile and second point is without computer.
हाँ, यहाँ भी आपने कहा 2 पॉइंट, उससे पहले देयर लगा देंगे, अच्छा रहेगा. देयर आर 2 points. तो थोड़ा
There are 2
sentence अच्छा
points
लगता है.
in our topics. Yeah. First point is about mobile without how will become our life without mobile, and second point is how will become our life without computer. We know there is some benefits smartphones, but I say to you, we can do all things with computer also. With computer
So,
also.
yes, yes,
Like,
Naushad,
It is your question.
but my question is, 1 minute, sir. My question is, there is there is no some, but many injurious point for a smart phone. What do you say?
there are some
Yeah,
minus point.
Minus point for a smartphone.
It's okay. There are some disadvantage of a smartphone compared to computer. Yes, Naushad.
Yeah.
okay. As I explained in my speech that everything has harm and negative point. So I have also explained that we have to use in some time, not every time.
Yeah.
And if you are saying that everything we can do through, so my question will be, what is your opinion about to hanging?
आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कट गई नौशाद, आवाज
Yes,
आपकी
sir.
कट गई. क्या कहा? What is your opinion?
शायद वो 2 हाथ पैर में बोल रहे थे जी.
Yeah, he was saying that everything we can do. To his opinion, what he said about to her palace. How can
नौशाद की
he
आवाज आ रही है आपको साफ? अब्दुल्ला,
नहीं सर, कट रही है.
नौशाद ब्रेक हो रही है आवाज बहुत ज्यादा, पता नहीं कैसे अब, इसलिए मैंने
नो प्रॉब्लम
कैमरा
सर.
बंद कर
पता है
दिया.
वो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि आपके पास अगर 2 हाथ हो तो एक कट जाए तो क्या कीजिएगा? या आई अंडरस्टैंड. नो प्रॉब्लम सर. थैंक यू. ही इज गॉन.
I think he's joining again. It's okay. We will clarify that. Now, after Naushad, Abdullah, it's your turn. You have to speak whatever you have prepared. Open the camera and start the topic.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Today is my topic, how we will become our life without mobile and without computer. We know in our life very important in this time computer and mobile, both are very important for us as a teacher, as a for our teacher, for our students, and for our businessmen. We can't do anything without without a computer and without a smartphone. I say to you, a smartphone. There is many benefits for a smartphone.
There are
Many benefits for a smartphone, but there are also some side effects.
शफीक,
Some
benefits का मतलब क्या होता है शफीक?
मुनाफा सर, मुनाफा.
इसके लिए कोई इसका जो है सिनोनिम्स बता सकते हैं? सिनोनिम्स?
profit?
यूजफुल.
अरे वसीम, आपने कब से नाम अपना शफीक रख लिया?
यूजफुल.
यूजफुल, प्रॉफिट, सही है. और वसीम कुछ और प्रॉफिट के अलावा?
नहीं याद आ रहा सर.
एडवांटेज एक यूज हो सकता है,
advantage.
और एक वर्ड यूज होता है मेरिट्स. मेरिट, फवायद, मेरिट और डीमेरिट यूज होता है. एडवांटेज, डिसएडवांटेज यूज होता है. चलिए ठीक है, चलिए
Merit
कंटिन्यू
and
करिए.
demerit.
देयर आर
Okay, sir. There are some merit for a smartphone and but a smartphone in our time, in this time, many boys and people are misuse him.
are misusing.
We can use a simple phone. We can use also simple phone for calling, and we can use a computer for education and for business, and also for any other thing, for emailing. Yeah, but I see in our in our village in Saudi Arabia, my parents is not use a smartphone because he early to bed
My
and early to
friend,
rise. My friend is not use WhatsApp, a
नहीं ऐसे नहीं
smartphone.
होगा. My friend does not use. My friend does not use. या यही बल्कि यही
A
रहेगा. Does
smartphone.
not use.
Yeah. Thank you,
हाँ
sir.
ठीक है.
My friend does not use a smartphone in this time also. Not use WhatsApp or not use any app because he early to bed and early to rise. But we are use a smartphone बहुत ज्यादा यानी every time because we are महसूस करना we are feeling in our hand
आर मत लगाइए. We feel that our hand.
we feel that our hand in तकलीफ है
Painful. Pain बोलते हैं तकलीफ
pain
को.
yeah we feel our hand pain also because we use our smartphone every time. And I know want to say that there is only side effect for a smartphone and a computer. No, I said, but I want I from all friends, no anybody misuse this device.
No anybody नहीं. Nobody.
Nobody misuse this device for other purpose. Yeah. सही बात है. I have a madrasa. ठीक है. Naam. Thank you, sir. Enough that is enough. Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. Very good. We have discussed it. How much you spend the time to prepare this?
Sir, after Zohar, I only I repeat in my mind some topic.
It's okay. You also
Yes,
try
sir.
to use new words which you do not know. It will increase your language or as well as your knowledge. And if you are speaking only by thinking, that will not increase your vocabulary. In
Yes,
each
sir.
and
Yes,
every
thank you.
language, vocabulary is very important. So you should
Right.
use dictionary to add new words. How I can explain this thing in another word? You should know all this also. So in each and every speech, you at least you should remember 5 or 10 new words to use in your speech. That will give benefit for you, and that will be good for your knowledge also.
Yes,
It's okay.
sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Anybody want to ask any question to him?
I'll try it, inshallah.
It's okay. Nobody want to ask any question. Yes, Abdullah.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
think that class with online is better or offline is better?
I think, sir, class
do you think?
offline is the better with online.
For all of us, for the matured one also, those who are
What is-
in universities and those who are doing research in the universities, offline is also for them. You want to say?
No. There is some fields for students. If you are
Arts
You
field.
if you are about you not about you write any thesis, no, it isn't compulsory for us.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hello.
Abdullah, I will speak a sentence, a half sentence.
Hello,
You
sir.
have to complete it. मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Sorry, sir, I can't hear you.
It's okay, no issue. No, now after Abdullah, we are going to listen to Wasim. Mr. Wasim, yes, start your topic, whatever you have prepared. Wasim, are you there?
Hello.
Wasim, are you there?
Yeah.
Wasim,
is how the life will become without mobile or any computer device. Dear friends, mobile and computer is very profitable for human. This is the century of technology, and every place uses the computer and mobiles. If we do not uses mobile and computer, we could not calculate our financial earning, and we cannot store data, and some children cannot survive without mobile. In mobile they play Free Fire and PUBG and other games.
you are one of them.
No.
It's okay.
And if see our surrounding, the generation really is addicted to electronic communication. It is true that everything works at fast. We can connect someone who lives on the other side of the world within second. We can connect to these we can connect to other who are so far to us.